Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel you guys, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to take a minute, check my other videos, and if you like them, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So today's video is about this makeup look. I have created this makeup look by using all type of new products, mainly new products and cheap products. Are extremely cheap. The products I have used are extremely cheap, and I wanted to know if they are worth it, and if you want to know how this look has come up and how I did this look, then you should keep on watching. Now to just start my makeup, I'm barefaced and I have just put my hairband so that आपके कोई भी हेयर सामने ना आ जाए, don't get in contact with anything. So before starting up any makeup you do, like कुछ भी, even if you use a BB cream, don't forget to prime your face. So today, as you know, I'll be using all the new products. So guys, today we're gonna use this one, the Good Vibes Rosehip face serum. It is a glow face serum. It is recommended to use it before your makeup so that your makeup like your base is really nice and good. So what I like to do is that directly put that on my face. What you can do is take in your hand and rub that on your face too. Okay, I'm really messy person in this, like, okay. Always go down your neck. It is important to go. I've just used this once before, so obviously it's a new product too, and we just have to wait a little more time to let that serum go inside your face, and then we can jump into the next step. Okay, I think the serum, it has went inside. What we're gonna do and use next is this one by Good Vibes. It is the under eye serum. It is also the new one. I've shown it in my previous purple haul, so if you haven't watched it, then please go watch it. This smells amazing, guys. This smells amazing. What I like to do with this is take a little bit in my ring finger and just put it under my eyes. Your under eyes are really thin, like muscles under your eyes are really thin, so it is really important that you prime it up really properly, because it is gonna get dark otherwise. And we use a lot of concealer, like for example me, I use a lot of concealer under my eyes and it gets really dry. It will also help your concealer to stay in for a really long time and doesn't crease. So yeah, after applying the serum, you have to wait for a little time, just the serum to go inside, and then we're gonna jump into another step. I'm really sorry I do this type of step because I'm really concerned about my under eyes now. I feel it's getting a lot dark and everything, so I'm taking a good care of my skin nowadays because it's been breaking out and not behaving properly at all. So I'll be using this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes cream after using the Good Vibes serum. So I'm doing the same, taking a very little bit on my hands and then just putting it in with the help of my ring finger. The reason we use the ring finger, because it when you use this finger, it is the pressure is really nil and it doesn't poke your eye. Now I feel my skin is really prepped up and I can move into my next step, which is primer. If you feel that your skin needs more of hydration, then you can also go in with a moisturizer after the serum you used. So yeah, I will not go with the serum because I'm pretty happy with how my skin looks and the glow is amazing. So the primer I'm gonna use today is the NYBay primer. It is the minimizing pore primer. It is a silicone based primer. If you used Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, it is just like that. It is for your pores, to cover up your pores. If you have large pores, then this is gonna help you, but if you don't have pores, then you don't have to use any primer at all. That is what I feel. आप डायरेक्टली फाउंडेशन के साथ जा सकते हो. You don't have to apply any primer because you have hydrated, or like you have put a moisturizer and everything. So yeah, I have some pore issues here near my nose, so I like to put a silicone based primer there. So we're gonna move to our next step. My next step is foundation. The foundation today I have here is the Stay Quirky foundation. This is how the foundation looks. It is definitely a really dark shade for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2 pumps of this. Oh sorry, I took 3 pumps. And then what I'm gonna do is mix it with a little bit of Fit Me foundation, just a little bit, because this is a very lighter foundation for me. This is 128 and my shade is 220. So I'll just take a little bit of this and mix this both together. This will give me a perfect shade, I feel. This is a pretty good shade. I like it. So what's left will be going on my neck. This is what I like to do always. This is what I do. It's not what I like to do. I always do this. Always take your foundation down to your neck so that it matches properly. I'm also using this new blender from Giorgio Professional. I've shown it in my last video, so you can go and check it out. It's a really nice fluffy thing. It blends in your foundation really nice, and the foundation is pretty no coverage, I can say. मेरे को लग रहा है this has no coverage. It is a liquid foundation. I will get it in my shade. I will surely get it in my shade to check the foundation itself, how it works, because Fit Me is a pretty good foundation, you guys. Everyone knows, everyone loves Fit Me. And by the way, I'm using a damp sponge. I think my foundation is blended, and we will quickly jump into the concealer. The concealer I have is Stay Quirky Hide My Hickey concealer, and this is a pretty good match. I feel it's a little bit lighter for my skin, but it's fine, I can work with it. And this, I hate the applicator, by the way. Okay, I have just put it concealer where I conceal usual places, and let me just blend it. This is the first time I'm using this concealer. Everything I'm using today is going to be a first impression, you guys, because I have never used it before. Like, even if I've used it, I have just used it for once, and I'm not used to this concealer. It has a medium coverage, not full coverage. It's okay, I can work with it. I think I'm gonna use a little bit more under my eyes, because I feel my eyes are still a little dark. This is like I have applied 2 layers to get this, and I'm really happy with how my eyes look now. It looks good. What we're gonna do now is use some powder. You guys must know I always use the Blue Heaven loose powder, but today I'll not be using that. Rather, I'll be using a compact powder, and this one also is a new compact powder. It's from Purple. And let me say you the shade name, just a minute. Okay, this is in the shade Beige Self Care. I'll just link everything down below, so don't forget to check the description box, because everything will be linked there. And the mirror in this is really good, you guys. Like, I'm taking the powder in the sponge and I'm just setting the concealer in place. Basically, I'm putting powder everywhere I have put the concealer, because it will help to set. I really like how my face is looking right now. My concealer is set. I have used this one to set, and then we're gonna quickly jump into our eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I'm really sorry, I have no new product, so I'm gonna use this one. This one is from Nykaa. This is the one I have been using, and I'm loving it, you guys. I got it in the recommendation of Mridul Sharma, and I love it. I don't really do my brows. I just pretty like it the way they are, but करने के बाद पता चला what difference brow makes. You see the difference, right? This one and this one. So I'll quickly do this side of brow and come back. So yep, my eyebrows are done. The most wonderful palette from Wet n Wild, Rose in Air, and I'll just use one shade to darken my crease, and done, and not be using anything else. So what I was thinking to go in with a really nice brown shade, and this one is what I'm gonna use. This is the really light brown transition shade which I'll be using all over my lid, and that's it. I'm not gonna use anything else because I have decided to go in a very dark with a very dark lip, so I want to keep my eyes really minimal. You can wear it outside today if I'm not gonna use any shimmer also, because I want a really matte look today. So yeah, you can see this one and this one, this both the eye, you can see the difference. This is a really nice brown chisel effect which I like, and that is all I'm gonna do. You see, this look is gonna be really easy. The key to everything is blend, you guys. You have to blend everything really properly, really smoothly, really nicely. My eyes are done. What I'm gonna do is use a liner. So the liner I'm gonna use today is this Faces Canada's liner. This is the Magnetic Eyes eyeliner. This is from Faces Canada, I told. Okay, this is the least same I can do. इससे ज़्यादा same मेरे eyes नहीं हो सकते कभी in their whole life. So let's just leave it like this. So we will quickly jump into our new thing that we're going to use today is this eye pencil. This is the Eye Amsterdam pencil Tulipa Blue Blooms Kajal. It's basically in the shade blue, and it's gonna give a really pop of color to my eyes. So we'll use this today. This was really pigmented when I swatched it, but when I'm using it then इसका pigment नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे बहुत घिसना पड़ रहा है, and my eyes are really sensitive. अगर मैं ज़्यादा एक स्ट्रोक में नहीं आया है, I go for 2 and 3rd stroke, then मेरे आँख में पानी आ जाता है. It is really difficult, then सब कुछ ruin हो जाता है. You understand, right? This is like my 3rd or 4th stroke, and this is what I get. I cannot even properly look. I don't know if you can say, but पास से दिख रहा है. I don't know if the camera is catching, but पास से दिख रहा है that it is like I'm wearing a blue color का kajal. But mascara also I don't have any like good like new mascara, so I'll be using my favorite mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is the Hyper Curl mascara, my first mascara and the bestest mascara till now. So I'll be using this today. I don't know if you can see the difference, this eye and this eye. This is a volumizing mascara, you guys. I love this mascara. Okay, I got some under my eyes, like मैं mascara लगाऊँ and ये ना हो is impossible. अगर आपका mascara ऐसे नीचे लग जाता है तो what you can do is take your compact powder, take that sponge, okay, and then just put it under जहाँ पे आपका लगा है. Contour we're gonna use this one. It's from NY Bay. This is the new contour. I have never used it. This is me first time using a cream contour. So let's just see. So I'm gonna apply a very little, like this much. So guys, I'm really sorry my camera died and I didn't knew that. So I have done my contour and my blush. Let me just tell you what I did. I used this one, Jo Abhi I know, and I blended with this brush. And after that, what I did is I applied this one. This is the Wet n Wild contour palette. This one, this powdery shade, and just give a really bronze look. You can see it looks so spiced up, and down my like jawline also. And after that, I used the blush too, And blush I used is also from Stay Quirky Cheeky Blush. This is a really powdery blush. It has a little bit sheen to it, and it has glitter chunks which are really small. You cannot see it, but I really like my blush to be really matte, you know, but I have walked through it. And yeah, the setting spray, this is a setting spray I have used. This is the Wet n Wild mini natural setting spray, and I have just put that all over my face to like blend everything in, because I have used many powder products, and it was looking really messed up. I don't know, I just use this because jitna bhi extra powder hoga aapke face mein, it will take that away. So that is why I use the setting spray. Also from Stay Quirky, and this is a pinkish shade highlighter. What I did was I took that in back of my hand and just put it in my upper areas. You can see that sheen. It is because of this highlighter. I didn't want to put a highlighter today, but then this is giving me a really inner glow, and it is giving a really nice sheen to my face, which I love. I don't like pop off a highlighter. I like subtle highlighters. So yeah, this was a really good highlighter. And the last step is going to be this lipstick. I'm really scared to put this lipstick. This one is the 06 Wild Child, and this is from the brand called Bella Voste, and I have never applied. I'm really scared to apply deeper shades because I don't know how will I look. So let's just apply it and see how it looks. Okay, my lips look fire, you guys. I like how my lips look. I am not denying it, but you know, I'm not used to this type of looks. So what I'm gonna do is change quickly and come back. So guys, here I am back with this look. I have changed my clothes. I'm gonna go out today for a little bit. So yeah, this is why I have created this makeup. Do let me know down. Like, I never expected to use this cheap makeup and get a so glam up look. You can see my base is really good. It's looking really nice, and like shockingly, my lipstick color, I'm loving it. The way it looks, like, it is not transferring even a little. It is super matte, and you have to put, it's little bit drying, so you have to put a really thick lip balm before you put this lipstick. Baki everything is good. I really like how my face looks now. You can use a setting spray last go, but then it's okay, it's fine. I don't need a setting spray. My makeup looks pretty good. So guys, do let me know in the comments down below, how do you like this look or not. And this look is so versatile. You can just change your lipstick and you are done. This, I end this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you should definitely go and follow me on Instagram, because I put a lot of videos on my Instagram, like dance videos and makeup videos together. So if you're interested, then you can totally go and give it a watch. And guys, so I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.